Hello everyone. So there's a lot of talk going on recently about not using over-the-counter drops and how you should always go to an ophthalmologist and get prescribed drops. While that is very important, and yes, you should not use over-the-counter drops because for a simple thing like redness, you may just go to a chemist and buy a drop. But there are a lot of causes of redness of the eye, ranging from infections to allergy to other inflammatory conditions. So yes, we do reiterate that you should not use over-the-counter drops. You should go to an ophthalmologist if there is any issue with your eye. Now, one important thing that I would like to touch upon, which most people are not aware of, is how to use an eye drop. So here we have the bottle of the eye drop. We open it like this. There is a seal out here that is there. Please ensure that it is always sealed and it is not open when you're opening the bottle. So you have to turn it like this. You will hear the sound of the seal opening. You open the drop. Most of them nowadays it is already pierced, so you don't need to pierce it again. You have to look up, pull your lower lid down and instill the drop in your eye. It's as simple as that. So that's how you do it. Then you're supposed to press out here at the inner margin of your eye, at the junction between the eye and the nose. This prevents an absorption into your system. Keep that pressed for around 5 to 10 seconds and then you can let go. You can put these drops while you're sitting also. You just have to keep your head tilted for maybe a minute or so, and you can do it on your own. This is the right way of putting drops. You don't just look up and put them in your eye because you can cause trauma. We have seen patients who have come with trauma to the eye while using the drops in the wrong manner. So please be mindful about that. And you will have a time when you may have to use drops 4 to 5, 6 times a day. So it's not possible for you to get someone to put drops for you every time, or if you're working, it's not going to be possible. So this is the right way to do it and you can do it on your own. Kindly keep this in mind. Thank you.